Welcome to Bombela Fanatics here, and I'm your host, Limpo Muhade, and Bombela Stadium is where I'm at for the Betway Premiership clash between TS Galaxy versus Orlando Pirates, a game which is ended in a scoreline of 6-0 in favor of Orlando Pirates, prevailing by those 6 goals. And now I'm joined by one of the serious fans of Orlando Pirates and a fanatic, Mshege. Greetings, good afternoon, Mshege. Selshonile langa Mshege.
Alshonile langa.
Shona una 6 goals, una 3 points, uhlele sicongweni napetulu, number 1 Mshege.
Ayinjalo longakusho ukuthi injabulo ngokuqala number 1.
Sure.
Orlando Pirates number 1.
Yeah.
And Orlando Pirates iyabusa.
Yeah.
Namhla siwin shaye 6 not. Bathi usidlala ngamaqanza la.
Hayi man.
Awubona lamaqanza namhla.
Oh, Mshege.
I6 lamaqanza.
I6
lamaqanza. Ikolo mangilandzela abafana airport la.
Sure.
La.
Balandzile Mshege.
Ngikhulumile naSibisi. Amtshela ukuthi siyaxolisa losukuyendile. Bangasabi. Ababe free.
Sure.
Noma nje mhlobo wabona after game batile batokhuluma nathi so injabulo lekhona injabulo Orlando injabulo eSouth Africa yonke
Sure Mshege.
siyazi ukuthi kunama teams la 13 laba against Orlando Pirates today but sikhonile kunqoba siyaphambili
Mshege, ukhuluma ngalendlela lebafana abachubekele ngayo phambili namhla bayiwina le game le. Siyathi we all know very well with they coming again from a draw against Siwelele the last time they played. Coming into this game, how important was it for them to get back on the winning way and on track, and kuyiqinisa njani indlela ne mentality yabafana chubekela phambili ngalo 6 goals abakhonile ukukora namuhla bagcine ne clean sheet bathathe 3 points bayembili babiyele bayitulu number 1.
Alok 6 goals lo ushaya namhlanje imorali yoba high kakhulu bafana bese baba ne problem ukuthi sebadlala idraw and sicabanga ukuthi Sundowns njengoba besele etulu icabanga ukuthi izothatha le cup le yethu le 8 games lesele yonke siyashaya siyiwina noma kanjani dago blue yes
Mshege, the way bafana badlala ngayo coach asilaba tu starting line up ngendlela asimisa ngayo man le Hardman lena man Mshege, nibalandzeli beOrlando Pirates nithini lena starting lineup indlela simisa ngayo ama substitute akhe the way bafana badlala ngayo instruction labaniketa yona le permission laniketa yona Mfokeng ukuthi asebenzise le creativity yakhe, which is something we are well aware of, but it is something that is encrypted in South African football players. That is where we thrive. It is something that they have. We know very well that is where our gift, that is our gifted. It is a natural born talent, the way Mfokeng plays. Lokuthi coach Azabatu amvumele ayende le magic yakhe tuke tinkundla letifana naleti natuke league lebaluleke kasona tuke Betway Premiership.
Ucoach wabadu uthathe noma mhlawumbe ubuke kakhulu ama video aJoss uma ubona uMfokeng ukhumbula uMfokeng bekadlala ngoJoss then manje uMfokeng ubuye uJoss ubukile ivideo because ngesakhala ngacoach sithi coach uwona yonke lendlu kanti coach beka plan. Now we are happy coach mara saba na problem umkhumbula kahle sadliwa ka2 then sacala sakhala sathi coach ngono ahambe coach what but coach uhleli phansi wabukela ama plan ngoba ama plan going forward right lekhona nyalo Orlando Pirates yonke ngaphandle kwaMfokeng bonke labadlali ba right kakhulu ba right kakhulu bonke labadlali nyalo ba right noma ukhipha lo ufaka lo kuyafana to me bonke ba right
Mshege, namhla sibone MasterChef abuya Siphumbule bathi uyalazi Siphumbule sonesikashana sikambule. He's been even drawn from national team.
Pirates take game
sikhuluma nathi induna yami the way badlale ngayo Siphumbule kungena kwakhe egamini namuhla nalendlela khona kudlala ngayo nakhona njabule njani kumbona abuyile.
Sijabule kakhulu ngoba besikhala ngayo ukuthi simfuna fieldini khona coach usivile ngoba umlethile and kumletha ka ukwende kwaba kuhle kakhulu Orlando Pirates because umkhumbule le season siyaqala kushaya 6 sagcina nga8 sishaya Galaxy last season umkhumbula kahle so namhla Siphumbule usikhombisile ukuthi une talent lo mfana uma mhlambe coach angamnikeza ama chances iOrlando Pirates yaphambili
Mshege, asithi so kunemuntu loyi1 lebenze akhona lana lebenze asolo aphathwa kabuhlungu ecembini leOrlando Pirates yena lembuthuma Mshege. Isikhathi sakhe sekufika la eskodini asizabanga sihle ngalendlela wenze wonke umuntu asilindele ukuthi singaba ngaso Mshege mfana solo udonse emadima uyavuma yena uyakora mara ama critics amaningi kakhulu iningi into letishiwa kungemfana lethi ngasitishi iperformance yakhe mara mfana namuhla akakakoranga mara the way adlale ngayo Mshege kuyakhombisa ukuthi ungumdlali lotimisele and uyasebenza improve namuhla ngimbone ashane bicycle kick lekinto esingakavamanga kuyibona Mshege la ku Betway Premiership
mhlawumbe lapha ngathi ngicoach coach bekufanele ukuthi nomfana u right but coach bengafuna amnike full time play yabona
I'm protected.
bekufuna ayafa koManasesi
Yeah.
because uManasesi une experience yabona
Yeah.
lo mfana u right good but le experience lesifunako akasekabi nayo
Yeah.
but today his performance
Yeah.
be right kakhulu ngiyacabanga mhlambe next game coach angamnika chance ahambe ngale ndlela sizojabula
Sure.
vele is true bese na problem kusibuthuma no ngcono ukucala evidence mahope because into sifunako sifuna i-Premier League ibe ngakithi so coach namhla wente kahle kakhulu and usiprovelile ukuthi ungicoach uwadu because ukhonile kuya na 6 not yabona
Msheke ngibonga kakhulu isikhathi sakho Msheke uhambe kahle bese
ngoba safety chairperson we Great Mbombela khona la ekhaya Mbombela
sure Msheke
ikhona i-branch Great Mbombela lengamele lenhlanzeni ngichairperson kuyo ngiyabonga
Msheke ngibonga kakhulu naye sithi halala nga 3 points halala ngehlala ku number 1 halala nga 6 goals
halala